Ganyan naman yan.
Margarine?
Margarine?
Sweet that.
Margarine!
Senjo?
Margarine.
Senjo?
Mas mataas ito, di ba?
The hairline around my ear is different.
Margarine daw.
Wait.
Ay, earring mo. No.
Thank you, Jay.
Sandali.
Steph.
You don't mind if I call you Jay? Tingin mo.
No, yeah, that's my
Okay.
nickname. But my name's Steph, remember?
You were cutting off.
Easy. Bagay di ay.
This part of my hair.
Oh, you like it.
Di ba? You like? Bagay. Bagay.
Bakit? Sanjo?
No. Not Sanjo. You have your own style, originality.
Wait.
Wait. Yan. Look at the hair. Oh, bagay di ay.
Bakit?
Harry Potter. Look like Harry Potter. You know that?
I don't know.
You know that?
Pangit.
No!
Pangit.
Tamo! Ay! Tamo, mas bagay sa kanya, di ba ganito?
Oh.
I told you!
Justin Bieber.
Not like this, like that.
Now put this all down, see what it looks like.
Okay na.
Oo.
Yes, take a step.
Oh my God.
Okay na yan.
Oh my God.
Okay na?
Make his hair like Justin Bieber.
Ayaw ko na.
Oh, no. Oh, pogi di ay.
Okay di ay. Tama.
This just doesn't want to go down. It just wants to stay up.
Oo nga sa ano niya, parang rat. If you do like
Oh,
this,
you look like a rat. But if you look...
like this, Justin Bieber. Zinju.
Okay, come here. You were not yet finished. Kuha, suklay. Ay, parang ayaw niya pa, oh.
Sige.
You want?
Sige.
Just give me... Oh, tamo! Stay! Tignan mo! Ala! Step, tignan mo! Oh, pogi, say.
Pogi.
Oh, diba? Dapat ako mag-a-ice tagi ng buhok mo, ha?
Oh, sige. Sige. No problema.
Itchy? Yeah. Steph, where is your lip tint?
Pogi diyan.
You like?
Oo.
You like?
I like it.
You like it?
Bagay.
Okay.
Bagay.
Okay.
Good. No,
Salamat.
good.
Maraming salamat.
Wala naman. No. Just appear and toes. No. Appear. Toes. Yun. No. No. We will make,
What?
and appear. Okay. It's okay?
Okay.
I cut
And
my
then,
hair.
Thanks. No, wait. Wait.
No, your hair! Bakla di ay.
Alberto Guerrero?
You like?
Yeah, tama. Ask Steph.
Okay, this is way redder than I expected it to be, but
Oh, guwapo say Che.
sorry, my lips got really red. I kind of got carried away.
Bagay.
Hala, grabe.
Another. You want another?
Sige. Arad.
Looks like a wave. Like this.
Yeah. How about this one? Oh, bagay di ay. Look at me. Oh, bagay. Guwapo. Tama.
Senjo, Senjo,
Se-
Senjo.
Si Anjo.
Sanjo.
Si Anjo. Okay.
It's so red.
Yan, bagay. That's cool.
One more.
Wavy hair.
Fix my tablet.
No, it's
Parang,
tsunami hair.
Tsunami hair?
Yeah. It's good.
Ah.
There. Cut your hair first. Then I will.
Mamaya.
No, now.
Mamaya.
Now.
Mamaya.
I will go to sleep na.
Me too.
Bilanggo. Parehas na puno ng pag-ibig. Ewan ko. Yun ang narinig ko eh. Oh, don't chase your hair, ha?
Okay.
I will follow you.
Sanjo. Senjo.